Today is a very exciting day. We're in the middle of another shoot right now, and there was a knock at the door, and I cried. Oh my God.
What's happening?
My Mac is here! Yes! Look, I'm so excited. I'm actually crying right now.
What?
My iMac's here. I can't even. Oh my God. I've been waiting a really long time for this. Okay, I'm just gonna push it in. Look, are you able to focus on these tears? Like I'm not this good of an actress.
Oh my God,
This is real emotion. Oh my God, I'm just gonna push it. You might as well keep filming because I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it, it's here early. I'm so excited. It's so heavy. This is my iMac Pro. Don't even know if I can. Oh gosh. This thing is so incredibly heavy. Are you ready? Knife to match the outfit. This is the moment that I've been waiting for. This is not only just any iMac, this is the 18-core, 128 gigs of RAM, beautiful, beautiful beast. Hold on, I'm gonna flip it around. Oh my gosh. Haters will say I'm over-exaggerating, but I'm not. This thing looks so good. Okay, here we go. This is a freaking beast. Ow, ow. Oh boy, this is honestly, this is a moment here that we're all having together. We're sharing this moment. We're sharing this moment as one. Wow. Ah! Oh God, I kicked, it hurt. It's okay. Work through the pain, Justine. Nothing else matters except this right now. I cannot wait to get this thing set up. So it looks like it's gonna open up this way. Oh my God. Even this is like a dark gray, because usually it's like a white little cloth. Here we've got our power cable. Let's just open it up while we're here. We're here, I'm here. Oh, wow. Look at this. It smells okay. My dog is gonna love stealing that. Okay, so don't mind me. Just let me. I just wanna make sure I get this out properly. I'm so weak. Oh God, oh God. It's so heavy. What?
That looks incredible.
I know. Okay. Oh, there's more in here. This is our keyboard and mouse. Is there anything else before I ditch this? I'm saving this box. I usually get rid of boxes, but this is getting saved because it's beautiful. There we go. Lay it down. One would think this would be easy. Oh, you're so beautiful! Ta-da! Wow, I cannot freaking wait to edit on this sweet machine. Let's see what we got in here. I already know what's in here. I act like I haven't watched every single person that has done an unboxing of this thing already. Let's be real. I've seen them all. Oh, the matte black keyboard. Oh, and it's the full keyboard too. I haven't had one of those in a really long time. And in here is our matte black mouse. Oh, you sweet thing. What I'm curious to see is, did they change up the design? Oh, no, they didn't. You still charge it here at the bottom. This is so glossy. I forgot I got the trackpad too. I'm so glad I added this on. Now this smells good. This smells like cinnamon. Oh, that smells like IHOP. Oh, I threw this down. Of course I forgot some things. A black lightning cable, Apple issued. And what is in here? I already know what's in here. I'm just being silly. A little black cleansing cloth to cleanse my sweet iMac's body. And black Apple stickers. My heart, it's beating at a very rapid rate. Let me see. Oh, it's only 84 beats per minute. I'm okay. Well guys, that's it. This is the new iMac Pro. I've been waiting a really long time for this. This is definitely overkill for an unboxing video. Oh my goodness. My foot's not swollen, so I think we're all right. Oh, let's take this off. We might as well. Let's just take this off. Ooh, get real fancy. Oh, let's take this off too. Oh, you're gonna look so good.
Strip it down.
Oh yeah, take it off. I've got that cleansing cloth. Oh, whoops. Rolling in the deep. God, I wish Adele was here right now. Can you imagine if she was here?
I don't understand if you just got iMac why you'd want Adele here.
Because I want her to sing to me.
I'm an Adele computer.
Oh, jokes. Guys, this is it. This is the new iMac Pro. It's what I've been waiting for. I'm so excited about it. Oh man, it looks so good. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be doing a setup video here very shortly. Unfortunately, I'll be traveling for the next week, so hopefully I can do that very, very soon. But in the meantime, I'll just be thinking about you. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it smells like a fresh Mac. I'll see you guys later. Oh, wow.